Today we're showing you some foods that will reduce your weight in just a week. This was me, just 7 days ago. Tired, bloated, uncomfortable in my own body. But I made one decision. I changed what I ate. I stayed consistent. And in just 7 days, everything changed. No magic pills, no starvation, just discipline. If I can do it, you can too. Eggs. Simple, powerful, effective. Eggs are one of the most complete proteins you can eat. They keep you full. They reduce cravings. They help protect your muscle while you burn fat. Sometimes the simplest foods give the strongest results. Grilled chicken, no skin. Lean, clean, fat-burning fuel. Grilled chicken without the skin gives your body high-quality protein without unnecessary calories. When you eat more protein, you feel full longer and you snack less. This is how discipline looks on a plate. Turkey. Low-fat, high-protein. Turkey is a quiet weapon for weight loss. It builds lean muscle and helps your metabolism stay active. The more muscle you keep, the more fat your body burns. Fish. Tilapia, mackerel, sardine. Fish is not just protein, it's smart nutrition. Rich in healthy fats and omega-3s, it supports fat loss and reduces inflammation. Light on calories, heavy on results. Beans. Fiber, protein, satisfaction. Beans digest slowly, which means fewer cravings and stable energy. When your blood sugar is stable, your hunger stays controlled. That's how you win the weight loss game. Greek yogurt. Thick, creamy, powerful. Unsweetened Greek yogurt is packed with protein and low in sugar. It keeps your stomach satisfied and supports gut health, which plays a big role in fat loss. Ugu, or pumpkin leaves. Low calorie, high nutrients. Ugu fills your plate without filling your waistline. The more vegetables you eat, the easier it becomes to stay in a calorie deficit. Spinach. Light, clean, powerful. Spinach is loaded with fiber and almost 0 calories. You can eat a large portion and still stay on track. Cabbage. Crunchy, filling, effective. Cabbage adds volume to your meals without adding excess calories. Volume eating is one of the secrets to sustainable fat loss. Okra. Rich in fiber, great for digestion. Okra helps slow down hunger and keeps you satisfied longer. A controlled appetite is a controlled body. Broccoli. Nutrient-dense, low-calorie. Broccoli supports your metabolism and fills your stomach without adding fat. This is smart eating. Cucumber. Hydrating, refreshing, almost 0 calories. When you feel hungry, sometimes your body just needs volume and water. Cucumber keeps your mouth busy and your calories low. Lettuce. Fresh, light, filling. Lettuce builds a bigger plate without increasing calories. The goal isn't to starve, it's to eat smart. Weight loss isn't about eating less, it's about eating right. Choose protein, choose fiber, choose consistency, and your body will respond. Like, comment, follow, and subscribe to our channel for you to be seeing our videos all the time.